Hello, how are you doing? If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Today, we have another unboxing. And here it is, another Tesla accessory. Came in the mail today. To be honest, I don't even know what it is. So let's unbox this and see what it is. Open up this package here. Okay, looks like they packaged it pretty well. And it looks like. Okay. Alrighty. Get this open here. Okay. Okay. There we have it. See what it is together. Oh. Okay. So these are the Jackpads. For all Tesla owners know that in order to jack up a Tesla vehicle, you must use a special pad that allows you to jack up the vehicle properly and safely. So I purchased this on Amazon, and they just arrived today. Okay, so let's look at this. So, yeah, did exactly what they're said in the order. Okay, so there are obviously 4 jack pads because each of them have to be placed on each side of the vehicle. Uh, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So, I guess these are the screws. And these jack pads are very important. If you're getting any work done on your car and any upgrades, or your car is getting serviced, you definitely want to have these in your vehicle and give these to anybody that's working on your vehicle. The reason being that if they have to jack up your vehicle, they can do it safely. And you can assure that it's done safely by providing this to whoever who's working on your vehicle. This is very nice. Quality looks very, very good. And I'm definitely going to be keeping this in my vehicle. So anytime I have to do any type of service, such as a tire rotation or such as anything where they have to jack up the vehicle, I'm going to provide this to the person that's doing the service and make sure that the the work is done safely. Because the last thing you want them to do is give your vehicle to an amateur, and basically they end up causing more damage to your vehicle rather than doing it the safe way. So I highly recommend that you purchase these Jackpads for your Tesla Model 3, and it's cool because they have if you can see it, a 3 logo. So these are specifically meant for the Tesla Model 3. Okay. Definitely an important accessory. And I'll have the link in the description for anybody that wants to order these. Um, they can do so. They weren't very expensive. They were very cheap. The price was pretty good. Um, and the one thing I do think is that Tesla should include these in all vehicles because it it really helps with the safety and the and making sure that the cars doesn't get damaged. Because the last thing you want to do is have the battery damaged or anything that's under the vehicle. Because you can remember the battery is located under the vehicle. Okay, all right. So that's another video, and that's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.